Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Everything you are about to witness is for educational purposes only, and all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content, and as always, enjoy the video.
Okay, we lit it up. He looks like he wants to pull into the parking lot of the transmission shop, 3220 Bengal. Well, what's he doing? Okay. Yeah, he also has a broken tail light as well. He's gonna be pulling into the Nord trucks right here, 3250 Bengal, on the east side of Bengal. Shit. Hey, man, how you doing today? You got your ID on you?
ID. Did you get it from a person?
Yeah, go for it. Where we are heading from?
I was taking her to work right here. What's the street? By Fiesta.
Ah, okay.
What's the text?
Oh, that's good.
I know it's my plate, right?
What's up?
My plate is expired. I know.
Ah, it's okay. Okay. How late is she gonna be for work?
Because when she's supposed to go in at 12, it's already.
Okay. Well, do me a favor, step out for me real quick. You're not under arrest or anything. I'm just gonna detain you for a second.
Okay, that's fine.
So. You got no weapons on you or nothing?
No.
You got it under control. I got one detained. Just candy or something? Yeah.
All right, go here.
Yeah, Yeah, no, I was a little bit. Just cash. I'm gonna put it over here on the car. Okay. Do me a favor, just gonna sit back here and sit. Don't you want to detain her as well for now?
Why are we getting detained? If you don't want to.
Yeah, there's just. I'll tell you in a second.
Oh, okay. I know we had a over last week, and they checked us and ran us. Why they detained us?
What was it for last week? Do you know?
Because he said my tag was expired. He said that's why you're putting it on.
You can step back. You're good. When was the last time you were arrested? Do you remember?
I want to say
please.
about a year ago.
A year ago? Okay. We're going to have both male and female detained.
Can you step out of the car for a second, miss? Where y'all coming from?
House.
Your house?
Yes.
Y'all weren't at the Mambo's parking lot?
No, he just got me from my house.
Okay. You have anything on you, miss?
No.
Okay.
I'm at work.
You're just being detained right now, okay? Like I said, you're under arrest.
What's going on?
I'll explain to you in a second, okay? Have you been arrested before, miss? Oh,
It's been like 4 years.
And what'd you get arrested for?
It was just like something that happened between me and my brother. It was just like, take the time.
See, I'm gonna just check. You don't have nothing
Oh,
on.
go ahead. I don't have nothing on me.
Okay.
I was going to work.
Where do you work at?
Right here, I live in Texas.
Okay.
Well, I work 2 jobs.
Okay, you can step over here.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
No, I don't have
Any weapons, drugs, nothing? Okay. feet from me. I'm just gonna pat you down, search you real quick.
Okay.
Do you have anything in your bra?
No, it's just a padded bra. It's a sports bra that I have on.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna have you sit right here for a minute, okay? I have you up. Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah, we got her. Hey, what's up, my man? Oh, yeah, all of that is at your Cologne?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got collectibles too at the house too.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Can I tell them we're getting the seatbelt off for?
Yeah, because we gotta take it back to an original location
Okay.
that somebody's claiming they had the same colognes that you were taking. Okay.
Okay. That's
So if it's, I mean, if it's not you, you be let go. Okay.
Okay. That's fine.
You blasting?
Nah.
You not blasting?
No.
You been in prison?
Yeah.
Okay. You got any Houston tattoos?
Yeah, a couple.
Where at? Well, I see the star already.
My chest.
Are you on the gang trackers?
The last time I was down, they put me on file. I don't know if I'm on here on file.
Okay. But you're not blasting anymore, right? But you're not a gang member or anything?
Nah.
What do they have you for?
They got me for
Houston, but that's, I mean, that's, what else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
How's it going, young lady? What's your name?
My name is Amanda.
Amanda?
Uh-huh.
Amanda, whose laptop that is?
That's one that I got. You got me.
Okay, so if I turn it on, can you show me the password?
Yeah, you can check. It's my password.
Okay,
It's,
what's
Angel123.
Angel123, no capital letter, just
I think it's just like that. But it's just like
Angel123, so that's your laptop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Whose colognes are those?
His.
Okay.
They have to be his.
They have to be his?
Yeah.
They have to be.
Yeah.
And y'all didn't stop anywhere before we found
He
you?
just picked me up from the house. I'm on my way to work.
Y'all didn't stop anywhere?
No, he just picked me up from the house.
Where's your house at?
Right here on by Bingo in Little York.
Bingo what?
In Little York.
In New York. So y'all didn't go anywhere as from there?
No,
Okay.
Just picked me up from home and I'm working right here.
Okay.
They have to be his. They have to be his.
And y'all didn't stop anywhere before we found
He just picked me up from the house. I'm on my way to work.
you? Y'all didn't stop anywhere? Where's your house at?
By Bingo in Little York.
Bingo what?
In Little York.
In New York. So y'all didn't go anywhere as from there?
No, he just picked me up from home and I'm working right here.
Yeah.
Okay, miss, do you want to unlock it so you can?
It's just
Steve, what about a phone?
Whose phone is that one, miss?
that one's his phone.
That's his.
What is this one?
What about that one?
Oh no, that purple one is mine, and then but the purple one's broken.
Oh, he said the purple one's hers, but it's broken. You want that or no?
No, I just
She don't want it. You can leave it in the car.
The purple one.
Yeah, the purple one.
The black one's his.
The one, yeah.
I just need to come on. Yeah.
We're working. Start this thing.
All right, miss, if you can make a quick call,
What's FFL?
or you gonna text her, or what are you gonna do?
No, I was just gonna come.
Okay. It's just it's a class A misdemeanor, okay? So it's not a felony.
But still,
So,
can you put it on here? Please.
yes, sir. Or you want to put it on speaker?
Start hitting.
Next hands right here.
¿Dónde estás, no? Ven para la casa con los niños. Me están arrestando ahorita. I don't know, ahorita te hablo cuando llego. Tickets, mom. I'll call you right now, just. Alright. Let me see her phone number.
Oh, when you get there, you can, we'll let you write them down, ma'am. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the front seat, okay?
My ID's in there too as well.
No, I think that's in my car. Let me grab it and I'll put it in here, okay? Yeah, he wants the money and the phone. Right here, I think. Well, unfortunately, sir, what they took for her is for being an accomplice. Okay.
But she didn't know anything.
I didn't think. I really didn't think they were gonna take it on her. But like I said, it's up to the district attorney. It's not really my decision.
She didn't know.
But
All she kept telling me,
but-
send me the works, like, why?
But she's with you, sir. Like I said, it's not my decision on that part, sir. Like I explained that to her. I told her, I was like, I don't think they're gonna take you, but sometimes they take you for being an accomplice, you know. And I'm actually surprised they took it on her. Okay, like I said, it's a misdemeanor, so it's not a big deal, I would say. But unfortunately,
Now how are we supposed to get bonded up? We bond each other up.
I don't know, sir. I let her make a phone call so she called her mom to pick up the kids. Okay. Did you need to call anybody, sir?
Yeah, hit the phone. It's on my phone, though. I don't know no numbers.
Yeah, I got your phone right here. Just give me 1 second. I'll make a phone call, okay?
Come here, lady. So you never stopped here?
No, well, he just picked me up. I promise you he did. I got to go to work. We have
Okay.
kids.
All right. You know we saw you, right? You know we saw you the entire time.
But I'm saying he just...
We saw you, and you know this camera. There's a thing called cameras. So, and then we saw you. So you never stopped at home. Just want you to know that.
Okay, but he
Alright.
just picked me up. That's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
picked you up from there, and then maybe came over here, but never here and then go over there. Nah, there's no such thing. Huh? Come on. You want some water?
Okay, thank you. I'll get in here.
Oh, grandma.
Can you scoot up with me a little bit?
Was y'all Simon's game? Yeah. Well, they're gonna take me to the county. Bye.
Hey, my man, hey, just take him out, bro. Let's take pictures. We can put that in the weeklies.
Okay. Can you step out, sir?
Man, I can refuse that picture. I ain't gotta take it.
That's fine. I'll get it from no matter
I
what.
get it from my mugshot. You ain't taking it from here.
Whatever, bro. I mean, I don't know why you're mad. I don't know why you're getting mad
You
to.
ain't gonna put me on this shit. Put me on the news and all that. Fuck that.
On the news? Who said on the news?
Wow, you gonna put that on the weekly? Nah, miss me with that.
He's a registered gang member.
Yeah, I mean, that's all it is.
Well, get it from the mugshot when I
Okay, bro. What are you getting attitude? I'm not getting attitude. I'm treating you with respect the entire time.
All right. Well,
All
I
right.
don't want my picture taken.
That's fine.
I can wait till I get my mugshot.
If it's gonna come on the news, you still gonna get the mugshot. You know that, right?
I get on my mugshot.
That's fine. But you know what? When I'm saying the weeklies, it's for the gang trackers.
Yeah, but I ain't in no gang. That's what I'm saying. Like,
But they have you as a gang member.
but I don't associate with none of them.
Well, that's not what your tattoo
communicate.
said. That's not what your tattoo said.
Now you racial profiling.
I mean, your tattoos, my
So
man.
you're racial profiling me.
Look, racial profiling is
okay,
another
I don't
thing.
want to hear it. You're racial profiling.
It's not racial profiling.
That's racial profiling.
How? Explain to
You're
me what
looking
racial
at me. You're judging a book by its cover. You're
Racial
judging me by my
that is not racial
tattoos.
profiling.
You
Racial
judge me by my
profiling
tattoos.
means it's your
All right,
race.
let's go. Come on, let's go. Close the door. I'm done.
Have fun in jail, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna get bonded out. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I'm gonna
I'll
get
catch
over
you
here.
again. I'm gonna catch you again.
No, you ain't. Trust me.
Trust me.
Trust me.
Trust me.
Close the door.
His phone number?
Put the girls. She's the registered owner, anyways. Racial profile. Come on, my ass.
Yeah, that's it. At the back of it's damaged.
Yeah. Is it good like that? You can see that?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, nomás le voy a... That's crazy, they just popped it.
Yeah. I said luckily we were just right there because we got like unmarked units. There's this kind of stuff to stop them.
That's crazy. And he saw him.
Yeah, that's our guy right there. the guy in the black car. He saw him haul off, taking off real quick, so he's like, let me follow him, because just kind of suspicious, you know?
Yeah. And the alarm.
Yeah, that's the thing. The alarm went off, so then that's it. That's all I need to see. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.